Good afternoon, children. See, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is polynomials and factorization. What is a polynomial? Before going to know about polynomials, just we'll see some examples. See, 2x square plus 4x plus 5x plus 3. Is it a polynomial? Yes, it is a polynomial. It is having 2 as the degree. See, these are the two like terms, and which is having a variable of only one variable. These terms, all terms, this is not a constant, this is a constant. These all terms are having x as a variable. Only one variable we are having. For example, if you take like this 4y plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. It is also an algebraic expression. It is a polynomial of two variables. See, x is one variable and y is another variable. Here we are having two variables. If you write only numbers, we call it as numerical expression. Algebraic expression means it should have at least one variable. If it has one variable, we can say that it is a algebraic expression. This is a numerical expression. Why? Because we are having only numbers, so we call it as numerical expression. See, here in this case, this is an algebraic expression and we call it as polynomial also. When we call this algebraic expression as a polynomial, if it has non-negative integers, that means see, 2x power minus 2 plus 3x square plus 4y plus 3z. This is algebraic expression, but it is not a polynomial. Why? Because see here, power is in negative power. In polynomials, see what he has given, algebraic expressions are called polynomials. All algebraic expressions we have considered so far only have non-negative integers as exponents of the variables. Non-negative. See, this is negative. If it is non-negative means nothing but positive. If the powers are positive, we can say that it is a polynomial. These are all algebraic expressions. When the algebraic expressions have non-negative integers, non-negative exponents, if it has non-negative like this, we cannot say that it is a polynomial. See here, 3x power 1 by 2 plus 4. This is also not a polynomial. Why? Because if you write x power 1 by 2, we can write 1 by 2. 1 by 2 we can write 3x power 1, 2 power minus 1 we can write, no? 2 power minus 1 we can write. So this is also fraction form is there. Fraction form are non-negative. It should have non-negative exponents. For example, 2x plus 3 by x plus 4 plus 4. Is it a polynomial? Is it a polynomial? No, it is not a polynomial. Why? Because 2x plus 3 into x power, if you write in the numerator's place, it becomes minus 1 plus 4. See, this is according to the formula n power 1, 1 by 1 by n is equal to n power minus 1. So, negative exponent, no? So, if you write like this, it is having negative exponent. So, it is not a polynomial. Okay, it is not a polynomial. For example, 3x power 1 by 3x plus 3x plus 4x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 3. This is also not a polynomial. Why? Because we are having fraction form. If you change that into numerator's place, it becomes minus negative values. If you have negative values in the exponents, then we can say that it is not a polynomial. So we know now, we know what is a polynomial. An algebraic expression in which the variables involved have only non-negative integral powers is called a polynomial. If it has positive powers, then only we can say that it is a polynomial. Now in polynomials, how to find out the degree of the polynomial? How to find the degree of the polynomial? See, for example, 2x power 4 plus 5x plus 6x plus 3. See, what is the degree? Highest degree. This is 4. It is having 1. It is having 1. This one, x power 0. So, leave it. So, highest power is 4. The degree of this particular polynomial is 4. For example, 2x power 4 y power 2 plus 3x power cube y square y plus 4x square plus 5z square. So what is the degree of this one? First see which is the highest degree of this particular polynomial. Here the degree is 6. Here the exponent is 3 plus 1 4. Here 2. Here 2. Which is the highest one? 6. So the degree of this particular polynomial is 6. Okay. Now first write, before going to start this polynomials and factorization chapter, after writing this heading, you write page number 26. Page 26. What is a polynomial? Page 26 you write last line, an algebraic expression in which that one. Page 26 you write last two lines. Last two lines. And examples you write x square plus 2x plus 1 and x power minus 4 plus 3x plus 2. Not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. You write like this. And you note this, you round off this one. Then you can say that it is not a polynomial. Last two lines you have to write. After that example, then this one. Not a polynomial. Two examples. Now, how to find out the degree of the polynomials in one variable means, if it has one variable, we can call it as one variable. If it has two variables, two variables. How to find out the degree of that particular polynomial? I told just now. So, exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. First one. What he asked to find the degree of each of the given polynomial below. What is the degree of that one? First one, see x power 5. First one. First Roman, x power 5 minus x power 4 plus 3. The degree of this particular polynomial, the degree of x power 5 minus x power 4 plus 3 is 5. Highest degree we have to take, highest power we have to take it as the degree. Next, second one, see, second one you do your own. Then third one, for third one, 5 constant term. Just they gave constant term. How to write the degree for this one? So we can write this one as like this now, 5 into x power 0. That is 5 into anything power 0 is 1. So 5 ones are 5. In this way we can write. So the degree of this constant term, the degree is 0. The degree of 5, any constant term is 0. In this way we can write. This number we can write like this. Like this if you write means the degree of this particular number is 0. Okay. Next. Fourth one, 3x power 6 plus 6y cube minus 7. The degree is, you write everything. The degree is 6. Highest degree is 6 now. So 6. Next one, 4 minus y square. the degree of this particular polynomial is 2. Next, the degree of this one is 5t minus root 3. So 5t minus root 3, the degree is 1. Here 5t minus 3 power 1 by 2. So here the degree is 1. The degree is 1. So the degree of, this is the constant term. The degree of any constant term is 0. So the degree, highest degree is 1. So we take 1. Thank you.